Hey guys, this is Morgan here with WaySafe Trailer Hitches. Today I'm going to talk about the updates we've made to our V2 WaySafe trailer hitch. The first thing that you'll see is that there's this glycerin level in there. That helps to prevent large shock loads when the trailer's on here hitting big bump. To protect the internal components of the gauge, we've increased the capacity and the durability of the internal components, but to aid with that is this glycerin. Also, the tick marks, or the indicators of how much tongue weight you have, are now located at the bottom of the gauge. And what that does is when you're looking at the hitch, when it's down low, helps you to be able to see them better. So it helps to improve the convenience of the gauge and the hitch itself to be able to read the tongue weight, to know if you're safe going down the road. With the updates of the gauge, we had to change some internal features of it, and while we made those changes, we also updated some of the other features of the hitch.